Hello and good evening. I'm here at the Jaypal Singh Munda AstroTurf Hockey Stadium here in Ranchi, where it's the finals of the Women's Hockey India League 2025-2026. And you can see to my left the ST Pipers training. And if I pan my camera over there, you see the Swati Bengal Tigers, the two best teams in the competition, who are now taking on each other in the Summit Clash. Behind me, you see a lot of dignitaries. I'm not certain if you're able to spot Mahesh Bhupati over there, but he's there. One of the co-owners of the ST Pipers, he's very much in attendance. So is the FIH President Sri Dato Tayyab Ikram, and it's a packed house here in Ranchi. If you look behind me, the stands, the galleries have been filled up. It's been a very interesting tournament. These two teams have already met each other twice in the round-robin phase, where they took the game to a penalty shootout, to a shootout on both the occasions, and it went to sudden death. And Swati Bengal Tigers got the better of the Pipers on both those occasions. But hey, this is the grand stage. This is the grand finale, so anything could really happen. But the entry has been made free of cost by the Hockey India, the official governing body of Indian hockey. So that's again a very, very positive step, a step in the right direction. It's going to be a great game. Do watch it on DD Sports, on the Sony Sports Network, on Sony Sports 10.1. If you need to tune into the Hindi feed, it'll be on Sony Sports 10.3, and also the Waves OTT app, the official OTT app of Prasar Bharati. You can also catch the action live on YouTube on the official pages of Hockey India.